How are you doing, guys? This is Mr. Kabbalah family from Family English. There is a new lesson today, real life conversation skills. So let me start the expression about real life conversation, please. Yeah, this is the title, real life conversation. When it's a real life conversation, it's a kind of conversation skills which we do not depend on common expression. The expressions are different because of the various context that we use. So, and it improves about your fluency, oral fluency, one, your confidence, second, and your vocabulary or word knowledge, third one, and the fourth one, it expands your English language skills. So, real life conversation skills that you use, you do, you practice everywhere you go, everywhere you live. So the first real life conversation is here office works. What's office work? What are the component parts of office workers? The first one is here secretary versus customer. What kind of conversation do they practice when the client or the customer comes to the secretary's office? Because the customer wants to just contact or meet the manager, maybe the mayor of the city, or the responsible person or the authorized person in an office or in an organization. And what about customer and the winter person? Maybe the winter person is, as I explained before, maybe the manager or maybe the vice director, the director, and that's also about that. This is a kind of real life conversation because we don't have any common and constant kinds of expression. We just both the customers and the secretary, the winter person generate English language expression. They are able to make conversation. This is really important to develop your language skills. So I'll give you as a hint. Having this hint, I hope you will improve and you will develop your language skills, especially for your communicative skills. So let me start some of the common expressions which are expected from the secretary and which are expected from the wanted person and from the customers. Yeah, let me start it. I hope you will wait me, or as you hope you will stay with me and you watch the video, you practice, you write comments, and you also subscribe and share my channel. That's okay, please. Yeah, the first one here is, as I explained before, customer's expression. Yeah, the customer's expression. Yeah, right. Let me interpret in an Amharic actually. A real life conversation skills ማለት በምንሄድበት ወይም በምንቆይበት ወይም የሆነ አገልግሎት በምንፈልግበት በምናገኝበት አካባቢ የምናደርገው የሐሳብ ልውውጥ የመልእክት ልውውጥ ነባራዊ እውነትን መሰረት ያደረገ እንግሊዘኛ ወይም ንግግር ነው። እዚህ ጋር የምንለማመደው ይሄን በምንልበት ሰዓት አንድ ወጥ የሆነ አገላለጽ ወይም የምንጠቀምበት ኤክስፕሬሽን ወይ ቮካቡላሪ የለውም። ከምንጠቀምበት ከባቢያዊ ነባራዊ ሁኔታን በማየት ብቻ የምናወጣው የምንጠቀምበት ቋንቋ ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄን ሪል ላይፍ ኮንቨርሴሽን ስኪል መጠቀም አንደኛ ኤክስፕሬሽን ሮት ሜሞራይዝ እንድናደርግ ሸምድደን አእምሯችን ሴት እንድናደርግ አያደርገንም። የተለያዩ ኤክስፕሬሽኖች እንድንጠቀም ኢንኮሬጅ ያደርገናል። ለሴም ስትሩ ፎር ቮካቡላሪ ኖሌጅም ልክ እንደዛ ኤክስፓንድ ያደርጋል። ምክንያቱም ኮመን የሆነ ቮካቡላሪ ወርድን አንጠቀምም። ኮንፊደንስ ዴቨሎፕ ያደርግናል። ምክንያቱም እኔ በየትኛውም አካባቢ ሄጄ ሪል ላይፍ ኮንቨርሴሽን ኮሚኒኬት ማድረግ ከሆነ ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም የእንግሊዘኛ ችሎታን የሚያዳብር ከሆነ ኦፍ ኮርስ ኮንፊደንስ ዴቨሎፕ አደርጋለሁ ማለት ነው። ሌላው በተጨማሪ I can just express where I am, where I go, where I am, የት እንዳለው የት እንደሚሄድ የት ምን እንደምሰራ የምገልጽበት ኮንቴክስት ሊፈጠርልኝ ይችላል። So this is the first part of real life conversation please. ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው real life conversation ኦፊስ ወርክ ላይ ነው። ኦፊስ የቢሮ ስራ ላይ ነው ኮንቨርሴሽን ማሳየት የፈለኩት። ምን ማለት ነው? ማለት የቢሮ ስራ ላይ ለምሳሌ ማናጀሩን ወይም የከተማውን ከንቲባ ወይም አንድ ፖለቲሽያን ኦቶራይዝድ ፐርሰንን ለማግኘት ከስተመሩ መጀመሪያ ማን ጋር መገናኘት አለበት? ከጸሐፊዋ ጋር። ስለዚህ ከስተመሩ እና ጸሐፊዋ ምን አይነት ኮንቨርሴሽን ያደርጋሉ? ዘን ከዛ በኋላ ከስተመሩ ከሚፈልገው ሰውዬ ጋር ምን አይነት ኮንቨርሴሽን ያደርጋል? እነሱን ነው ማሳየት የምፈልገው። ታንክ ዩ ፕሊዝ። ስለዚህ ከኔ ጋር እንደምትቆዩና ዩቲዩብን ወይም ይሄን ቻናል ማየት እንደምትፈልጉና ኮሜንት ሰብስክራይብ እንደምታደርጉ አልጠራጠርም። You will stay with me please again. Let me come back to my actual work here. Nice. Hello, could I help you? Which is, these are expressions from the secretary please እነዚህ common expression የምናያቸው ከምን ለመንገም ተጠቀባቸው ናቸው secretary's expression ጻፊዋ የባለስልጣኑ ወይም የማዮር ኦፍ ዘ ሲቲ ወይም ማናጀሩ ወይም ዳይሬክተር ኦር ቫይስ ሬኮርድ ፐርሰናል ኦፊሰር ፕሬዚዳንት ኦፊስ የሱ ጻፊ መጠቀበት ቋንቋ ነው hello could I help you please ከስተመሩ ሲመጣ hello could I help you please hello ካለች በኋላ ሰላምታ ከሰጠች በኋላ ምን ልታዘዝ ነው ያለቻለች could I help you please ያ ምን ልታዘዝ ምንድነው ፈልገው አገልግሎት ማለት ነው and the other expression here look here yeah nice to meet you what can I do for you nice to meet you what can I do for you ስተዋወቀ ደስ ይለኛል ምን ልታዘዝ ምን ልርዳ yes of course this also another expression which is expected of the secretary to the customer አይደለ nice please the other one how do you do can I help you please ጤና ይስጥልኝ ምን ልርዳዎት ነው yes ምን ልርዳዎት ወይ ምን ልታዘዝ how do you do can I help you please ያ አንድ ባለ ጉዳይ ቢሮዋ ሲመጣ how do you do can I help you please ያ ጤና ይስጥልኝ ምን ልታዘዝ ምን ልርዳዎት ልታዘዘው ትችላለህ ወይም የሚፈልጉት አገልግሎት ምንድነው ብላ ትጠይቃለች ማለት ነው ያ good morning here good afternoon good evening or repeat once morning afternoon good evening or good morning good afternoon good evening the ways of pronouncing for this expression no yes are you alone if it is an American accent so you can pronounce just like this please yeah sometimes good morning that's true good morning in the and good morning I can say just like this please yeah because it makes your conversation very smart if you use your effective pronunciation there is an effective communication with the speaker with the person that you are intended to communicate yeah if your pronunciation is somehow ineffective the communication will be somehow not smart or effective and if you not your confidence is somehow has a problem okay ስለዚህ ጥሩ የሆነ ኮሙኒኬሽን ለመፍጠር ጥሩ የሆነ pronunciation አግባብ አለው just like you can just pronounce just as in British English or British accent or British pronunciation maybe in an American pronunciation that's also true as you mandate your way please yeah say good morning after giving greeting my help please ተነስተን ደናድርክ ደናወልክ ደናመሸህ ያ ምን ልታዘዝ ማለት ነው ይሄም ሌላ አማራጭ ነው ሴክሬታሪዋ የሚጠበቀው ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው yes right nice let's continue please yeah please wait a minute or he or she is with a person ሌላው አገላለጿ please wait a minute maybe good morning can I help you please yeah yes please can I meet Mr. Thomas please ካላት በኋላ ለምሳሌ ደንበረኛው መልታዝ ካለችው በኋላ አይ Mr. Thomas ወይ ማናጀር ፈልጌ ነበር please wait a minute he or she is with a person የተወሰነ ደቂቃ ጠብቅ ሰው ጋር ነው ወይም እሷ ሰው ጋር ነው ሴት ከሆነች with a person ትለዋለች she is with a person ሰው ጋር ነች ወይም ደንበኛ ጋር ነች ወይም እንግዳ ጋር ነች wait a minute ብላ ሴክሬታሪዋ ልትወስድ ይችላልች could you please sit down on the chair please yeah because he's busy maybe in his house workers or no he's busy with in his office workers could you please sit down could you please sit down on the chair please yeah ወንበር ላይ ልትቀመጥ ይችላልህ ከዛ ተራህን ጠብቀህ ትገባለህ ነው እያለች አለችው maybe another he's on the phone yeah he's or she's on phone yeah ስልክ ላይ ነው after he completes communicating with someone yeah you'll enter to the mayor the manager please yeah ስልክ ላይ ስለሆነ ስልኩን ሲጨርስ you'll have time to get or to meet the person that you want to meet it nice please or sorry አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ ምን ሊል ይችላል sorry he is or she isn't here አንዳንድ ጊዜ ምናልባት የሚፈልገው ሰው የቢሮ ከሌለ ማለት sorry polite ነው sorry ማለት sorry he isn't in if he is a male or she isn't here if she is a female yeah እዚህ የለም እዚህ አካባቢ የለም ማለት ነው ማለት the other I'm sorry he or she isn't she went for a field work yeah I'm sorry she isn't here he was on a field work or she went for a field work yeah field ስራ ወጥቷል ቅርታ yes this is also a kind of expression from the secretary because it is a must to tell the customers please ግዴታ ነው ሴክሬታሪዋ የሚፈልገውን ሰውዬ የት እንዳለ የት እንደሄደ የመንገድ ግዴታዋ ነው yeah the other yes please is your turn ምናልባት አንዳንድ ጊዜ if the wanted person is in his office or maybe in her office yes please is your turn you get in yeah አሁን እዛ ጋር ረፍት ጠብቅ ብለዋለች ምናልባት አሁን ተራው ከደረሰ it's your turn you get in please ያንተ ተራ ነው ግባ ተስተናገድ ብላ ታስገባለች ደንበኛውን nice this answer yes, who comes first? አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ maybe the customers are more than 2 or 3, a lot of customers in her office, maybe she doesn't remember who comes first, who comes last. She wants us to check again. Yes, ways of checking, confirming who comes first. Yes, who comes first? Or who's first? Yeah. ደንበኞቹ ምናልባት ከ3 ከ4 በላይና የሚያምታታ አይነት ከሆነ ቼክ ለማድረግ ለማረጋገጥ who comes first ማን ነው መጀመሪያ ያመጣው? who is first ማን ነው የመጀመሪያው? ታረጋግጣለች። ልክ ይሄ expression which is very important, please. Or maybe have the phone number if you want to know when he will come back. Maybe አንዳንድ ጊዜ ይሄን expression መጠቀሙ ምክንያት አላት please. Yeah. Okay, if the secretary may say just like this, I'm sorry he isn't in. He went for this in a meeting. He went for this in a meeting. Yeah, maybe. Do you know he will come back? No, I don't know when he come back, please. Yeah. አዲስ አበባ ለስብሰባ ወይም ለኮንፈረንስ ሄዷል ካለችው ለደንበኛዋ just do you know he come back? መቼ እንደሚመለስ ታውቂ ትችያለሽ ይላል። No, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. መቼ እንደሚመለስ አላውቅም። Yeah, so what shall I do ቢላት ሰውየው ለከስተመሩ I don't know if you want to know about when he come back. Have my phone number, please. Yeah, this is my phone number or my office phone number here. Have it, and you'll try to communicate. I will tell you that when he come back here, ይሄ ቢሮ ቁጥራችን ነው ወይም እኔ ስልክ ቁጥር ነው ይሄን ያዝና ኮሚኒኬት ማድረግ እንችላለን። የሚመጣበትን ሰዓት ልነግርህ እችላለሁ ማለት okay, thank you ብሎ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው። This is also an option for giving best service, good service to the customers. That is customer satisfaction here. If you use the secretary, may just adjust this kind of option to the customers. He feels happy or she feels happy. The customer feels happy. Absolutely right. Nice, please. Yeah. This was customers expression. ደንበኛው ምንድነው የሚለው? Yeah. Hello, can I get Mr. Thomas, please? This is the name of the person, the winter person here. The winter person here. Hello, good morning. Hello, can I get Mr. Thomas? Mr. Thomas, please. Yeah, Mr. Thomas ማግኘት ፈልጌ ነበር ብሎ secretary ነው የሚለው። Yeah, how do you do? Could I speak አቶ ሞላ, please? How do you do? ጤና ይስጥልኝ አቶ ሞላ ማግኘት ፈልጌ ነበር ነው እያላት ያለው። Another good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, great ያደርጋል actually. It depends on the time. Maybe morning, good morning, afternoon, and evening. Yeah, actually we not true for good evening after 11:30. The office will be closed, so there's no an interaction between manager, customer, manager, secretary, or maybe secretary with customer. Yeah. But this way of greeting, yes, this way of greeting actually. Nice. May I meet Miss tonight, please? Maybe if the winter person is Miss, yeah. May I meet Miss tonight, Miss Esther, please? Miss Esther, ወይዘሮ አስቴር ማግኘት ፈልጌ ነበር። እንደዚህ ብሎም ከሴክሬታሪዋ ጋር ተነጋግሮ ሊገባ ይችላል። Nice, yeah. Hey, I would like to talk Mr. Thomas. Yes, hey, I would like to talk. This is an informal expression anyway. Maybe the secretary is just like the same age with the customers. It doesn't matter that when the customer might use this kind of expression. Hey, I would like to talk Mr. Thomas or Mr. John or Mr. Kebd. Have an appointment with him. Yeah, ሰላምታ ከሰጠ በኋላ ሚስተር ቶማስ ማግኘት ፈልጌ ነበር ከሱ ጋር ቀጠሮ አለኝ። I have an appointment with him. ቀጠሮ አለኝ ከሱ ጋር. This is true for customers expression, please. And the other here, look at, do you know when he came back? Maybe, I'm sorry he isn't in, he went for a field work and he was in Addis for a meeting. He was in Bahar Dar for a conference, annual conference. If she may state just like this kind of expression, you want to check when he will come back from Bahar Dar or Addis or Hawassa. ማወቅ ፈለገ ምናልባት ለስብሰባ ለኮንፈረንስ እንደዚህ አካባቢ ሄዷል ስትለው do you know he came back? Do you know he came back? መቼ ነው መስታወቅ ትችላለሽ? Of course, that's true, please. These common expressions are expected from what? The customers and ደንበኛ የሚፈልገውን ሰው ሲጠይቅ ከሴክሬታሪዋ ጋር ወይም ለሴክሬታሪዋ የሚገባው የእንግሊዘኛ አገላለጽ ወይም expression እነዚህ ናቸው። So if you are a customer in an organization, in an office, in a company, the customer should use this kind of expression. And that's true for the secretary in an office. For the secretary, የቢሮ ጸሐፊዎች, chief secretary, senior secretary, እነዚህን ቋንቋ ተጠቅሞ ከስተመር ጋር ኮሚኒኬት ማድረግ ይችላል። በተለይ if the speakers are English language, of course with confidence, the secretaries can communicate in English just like this, please. So I want to give you and a conversation between secretary and customer, please. Yeah, actually, the problem here is maybe if I put just a kind of office work and maybe pictures, it makes my YouTube channel or my video very smart and marvelous and said, but I don't have the skill to draw this. Anyway, one day I'll do this. Anyway, I'm taking a training about this, and I'll do this more effective. But the time being, I want to share my experience, how you are intended to communicate in an office work with us. That's the base issue, actually. That's the base issue here. So the first thing that we consider how the secretary has a communication or has communicated with the customers. Yeah, the first thing here, customer, secretary, hello, can I help you, please? Hello, can I help you, please? ጸሐፊው አነች hello, can I help you? ከስተመሩ ልክ እንደመጣ hello, can I still hello? ሰላምታ እየሰጠች ነው። ምን ልታዘዘው ትችላለሁ? ምን ልርዳዎት ነው እያለች አለችው። ከስተመር hello, could I meet Mr. Jonas, please? hello, ካልዋ could I meet Mr. Jonas? Mr. Jonasን ማግኘት ፈልጌ ነበር። Mr. Jonasን ላገኝ እችላለሁ ነው እያለ ያለው። ያ secretary, sorry, he went to Addis for a meeting. Yeah, sorry, he went to Addis for a meeting. ይቅርታ አዲስ አበባ ለስብሰባ ሄዷል ነው እያለች አለችው። Then customer, wow, do you know when he came back? Wow, do you know when he came back? Yeah, customer, I'm sorry, I don't know. ይቅርታ መቼ እንደሚመለስ ማቀው ወይም አላቅም ነው ያለችው። Yes, right, look here. Yeah, this is, check this phone number, this one, if you want to catch up when you come back, please. ምናልባት ይመጣበት ማዋት ከፈለግ ይሄን ስልክ ያዝና እየደወልክ ቼክ አድርገኝ። Yes, right. Then what? Okay, thank you. Because this is a polite expression, please. Most of the time, the secretaries do not use this kind of expressions. They are sometimes aggressive because they don't want to give the office phone number, their personal phone number to the customers. Yeah, maybe that's true. Sometimes that's true. No need to give the phone number to any customers. Sometimes it's true because the customers want this important person for an urgent workers. It doesn't matter whenever the secretary give the office's phone number, of course, yeah. But she's a secretary. She wants to give the office phone number to the customers, and the customer say, "Okay, thank you," because he feels happy because she understands his problem. Secretary, you're welcome. That's the first conversation, please. በጣም ቀላል አንድ የቢሮ ጸሐፊ ከአንድ ደንበኛ ጋር የምታደርገው የመጀመሪያ ኮንቨርሴሽን ልክ እንደዚህ ነው። ከዚህም ኤክስፓንድ ማድረግ ይቻላል። በእኔ ተግባር የምንድነው የፈለኩት የቢሮ ጸሐፊዎች እንዴት አይነት ቋንቋ ደንበኞቻቸው ጋር ሊያወሩ ይችላሉ የሚለው ፓርት 1 ያሳየሁት። The second part, the conversation between the first step of the secretary plus the customer, and then the customer plus the manager or the wanted person in an office. Let me pass to second dialogue, please, here. Next, fine, yeah, customer versus the wanted person. And የሚፈልገውን ሰውዬ የሚያገኝ ደንበኛና የሚፈልገው ሰውዬ ምን አይነት የእንግሊዘኛ ንግግር ያደርጋል? Because he has a purpose that he wanted the wanted person in his office or maybe in his organization. Yeah, look it, the opener of the dialogue is the secretary because the customer pass through the secretary. Unless the secretary will permit him or permit her, the customer may not meet the wanted person. Obviously that's true, please. Yeah, because secretary ካልፈቀደችለት አንድ ደንበኛ አልፎ ማናጀሩን ወይም የከተማውን ከንቲባ ማግኘት ስለማይችል ማለት ነው። Who is first, please? Yeah, secretary, who is first, please? Yeah, then customer, please, it's your turn. Yeah, customer, yes, please. Yeah, it's your turn. Customer, it's your turn. Customer, it's your turn. Sorry, customer አይደለም ይሄን የሚለው customer ሳይሆን secretary ሆነች, please. Yeah, this no customer, please. Please, it's your turn. Customer እዚህ ጋር ነው ያለው። Okay, thank you ይላታል። እዚህ ጋር here is this expression is from secretary. Who is first? Please, it's your turn ይላታል። ያ ማን ነው አንደኛው? Yes, please. Please, it's your turn. You get in, please. ያንተ ተራ ነው ግባ ትሏል። customer okay, thank you ይላል። ያ okay, thank you ይላል customer። ይሄ expression የcustomer ነው። this manager customer manager office ወይ ማያሮ ዘ ሲቲ ውስጥ ቢሮ ውስጥ ከገባ በኋላ how they do sit down, please. Yeah, polite expression and polite language here. How do you do? Sit down, please. Yeah. First, invite him to sit on a chair. All right? And የቢሮ ኃላፊ የካምፓኒ ኃላፊ ደንበኛ ቢሮ መጥቶ ሲያነጋግረው ምን ፈልገህ ነው? ምን እንደምታናገረኝ ሊል አይችልም። It's wrong, please, to use a very aggressive and very stupid expression. Yeah? በጣም አስቀያሚ የሆነ ቃላት አይጠበቅም መቼም ካንድ በሆነ አካል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ ሰላምታ መስጠት ከዛ በኋላ መቀመጫ ቦታ መጋበዝ ነው that's is you know it's culture right it's culture please ቋንቋ ባህልን ነው የሚገልጸው ባህል ቋንቋን ይገልጻል እንደምንለው ማለት ነው exactly nice okay thank you I can sit here okay thank you አመሰግናለሁ እዚህ ጋር እቀመጣለሁ ይላል nice please manager what can I do for you please ምን ልርዳ ምን ልታዘዝ ምን ልስራ ነው የሚለው what can I do for you please ምን ልታዘዝ ምን ልርዳ ነው እያለ ያለው exactly what can I do for you what can I help you can I help you please just anyway tell me what you want to tell you want to tell me please you tell me what you want የምትፈልገው ነገር ጉዳይን yes ብሎ ማናጀሩ ይጠይቀዋል ያ nice please yeah look this one customer very important expression here I'm a contractor here and I built 3-floor building but I have left a 30% payment yeah ምንድነው የሚለው ኮንትራክተር ነኝ እዚህ አንድ ባለ 3 ወለል ህንጻ ገንብቻለሁ 30% ክፍያ አልተከፈለኝም I have asked the finance administrative 3 times ይሄ ፋይናንስ አስተዳደሩን 3 ጊዜ ጠይቄያለሁኝ but his response is you know there is something inside because maybe that concerned body may not just read for that 30% you want something from the contract writing yeah this is called a kind of filler you know there's something inside you understand it and very aggressive yeah and very because the customer may not or do not want to tell all the ideas what's expected from the finance administrator yeah it's aggressive yes here I came here to inform you about the problem እዚህ የመጣሁት ምንድነው እያለ ያለው ይሄ የፋይናንስ አስተዳደሩ 3 ጊዜ ጠይቀው ነገር ግን መልሱ በጣም ልገልጸው የማልፈልገው ነገር ነውና አስቀያሚ መልስ ነው የሚመልስልኝ ለምኛው የምሰጠኝ ራሴን ገንዘብ የሚሰጥ አይመስለው አይነት ነገር ነው የሚመስለው ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር አንተ የመጣሁት ይሄን ችግር ለማሳሰብ ነው የሚመለከተ ጉዳይ ስለሆነ ይሄን ጉዳይ ለአንተ ለመግለጽ ነው የመጣሁት very sensitive problem serious problem ነው ስለዚህ ይሄ አንድ ከስተመር እንዲህ አይነት ኢሹን ይዞ አንድ የቢሮ ኃላፊን የካምፓኒ ኃላፊ ማናገር ግድ ነው የሚለው ያ nice please manager yes I know this case yeah ይሄን ኬዝ በደንብ አውቀዋለሁ we have discussed with the administrators ይሄንን ከአድሚኒስ ባለስልጣናት ከአስተዳደር ሰራተኞች ወይም ከሚመለከታቸው ፋይናንስ አስተዳደሮች ጋር ዲስከስ አድርጋለሁ ተረጋጋ so they will release your last payment in a week በአንድ ሳምንት ባልሞላው ውስጥ የመጨረሻ ክፍያን ይለቁልሃል nice please yeah look here nice please here nice here okay customer he feels happy yeah you know just because this is a polite response a polite expression which is expected from one's responsible body in an organization okay thank you no it's nothing it's my responsibility yeah it's nothing ምንም ማለት አይደለም የኔ ኃላፊነት ስለሆነ don't worry about this ይላል yeah don't worry about this will be the second conversation between a customer and mayor or politician or responsible or director of an organization of a company or maybe a factory manager have you seen it yeah በጣም ቀላል ቋንቋ በጣም በቀላሉ ኮሙኒኬት ማድረግ የሚችል እዚህ ጋር ተጠቀምኳቸው expression completely ከየት መጻፍ ያልተወሰዱ is my own expression because I depend on the real context the real expressions yeah so which is important to develop your language expression just exactly yeah anyway this is real life conversation skills with Mr. Kebda this is my contact address you can talk to me please and family English language school this is someone who wrote comments I appreciate for giving my comment someone who always watch my YouTube channel I appreciate also this you are really my real honest customers I will do my effort to help you to support you to expand your English knowledge thank you very much for watching my video please